Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this demo, we shall be giving you a walkthrough of the consignment sales workflow in Axanta ERP. Following are the topics that we shall be covering in this demo. So let's start with a customer. So here we have created Lulu Hypermarket as a customer with all the basic details. From the contacts and address tab, as you can see here, you can create multiple delivery addresses and contacts if needed. Now, since this is going to be a consignment customer, we'll head over to the sales and purchase tab. Here you will notice that there is an option called as is consignment. So as soon as when you will enable this option, the system automatically creates a dedicated warehouse for this customer, as you can see it right here. Once that is done, we can move ahead and create a consignment order. So here we have created the consignment order for this customer Lulu Hypermarket, and this is the product of 100 pieces, and here this is the warehouse from which these 100 pieces will get transferred to the customer's warehouse. So to process this order, we just click on process order button. At this point, we get two options, confirm order and post picking. Confirming the order simply reserves the stock but does not impact the inventory. With post picking option, the delivery gets posted and the inventory is updated. For this demo, let's go with the post picking option. Select the date and we'll click on OK. And that's it. The delivery is now created and posted, and those 100 pieces has been transferred to the Lulu Hypermarket warehouse. Also, in case you want to bring in bulk products, there is an option to import product lines as well. And this is the stock on hand report of this Lulu Hypermarket warehouse. This product 100 quantities. Now, as per the business terms, when this customer will give the sales report, like during this month he has sold this product 40 pieces, so we need to create consignment sales. So here we have created the consignment sales. Here is the customer, and here we have entered the product and 40 pieces that he has sold. Now if you will notice that as soon as we select the customer, automatically his dedicated warehouse will get selected. So to process this, we just click on process order, then we'll select the date and we'll click on OK. And that's it. The quantities are reduced from the customer warehouse and the invoice is also posted and the sales is booked. And just like that, if you have a bulk of products, you can also import the product lines in consignment sales as well. So now if you will check the stock on hand report of this Lulu Hypermarket warehouse, this product, now there is 60 pieces left on hand. And this is the sales report of this Lulu Hypermarket customer. This is the product and this is the quantity sold, 40 pieces.